I am Rhoda Redulla, Director of Nursing Excellence and Magnet Recognition at New York Presbyterian and Associate Editor of Gastroenterology Nursing Journal. I'm also the author and editor of Fast Facts for Making the Most of Your Career in Nursing. And the title of my article is Writing Clinical Articles, a Step-by-Step Guide for Nurses. The article is part of a Dissemination 101 series in American Nurse designed to help nurses share their work and expertise. It provides a roadmap for nurses in writing clinical articles, from identifying a topic to selecting a journal for publishing the article, including different formats or types of clinical articles. And then it goes to the elements of a clinical article. As the title shows, it takes you step by step in writing the article. When identifying a topic to write about, start with what you know. Write about what you're most familiar with. My clinical background is gastroenterology nursing, and I worked a lot with hepatitis C patients. I developed and tested a nurse-driven pathway in managing hepatitis C and wrote about that work. If you're a critical care nurse and care for, say, ECMO patients, extracorporeal membrane oxygenation, you can write about the nursing care of adult patients on ECMO. Second, whether you're writing a clinical review or a how-to article, narrow your topic, keep it focused. This way, you can control your manuscript length and deliver relevant information to the reader. You can select one aspect of a disease condition or a specific type. For example, you're writing about management of heart failure. You can narrow it down to heart failure in the elderly, or focus on what's new or different about its management. Lastly, carefully review the journal article submission guidelines. That's very important. You will find this information on the journal website under article submission or for authors section. Writing involves hard work and requires time to develop, but it allows you to advance nursing knowledge and practice. And remember, you get better at it.